Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to release a player in eFootball. To release a player in eFootball, open up eFootball application and wait for the home screen to fully load. Now once you're inside, go ahead and tap on My Team at the bottom. Now select Players. This will show you your current squad and roster. Choose the player you want to release and then in the menu, scroll down and tap on Release. Click the Release button once again to confirm the release, and you will see a pop-up confirming that the player has been successfully released. You might receive GP or nothing depending on the player type. Remember that you can only release standard or duplicate players, not legends or lone players. You will not find any GP refund for some special players, so use wisely when it comes to freeing space for better signings. That's how you can release a player in eFootball. Whether you are freeing up squad space or getting rid of duplicates, you know exactly how to do it now. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.